Hello and welcome back to our channel. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to add text on TikTok video. To do so, first of all, go to your TikTok application and then tap on plus button on the bottom center. Now you can either click or upload a video from your library. Here I'm uploading a video from library. Tap on the upload and then select your video and then tap on next. Now you can see capital A and small a on the right side. Tap on it and then add whatever text you want to add to your video. Now you can also manage the font. There are plenty of fonts. You can choose any one of them. You can also manage the alignment by tapping on this icon, and then after you are done with the text, tap on done. Now manage the position by dragging the text and manage the size by zooming in or zooming out. If you want the text to speak, you can also tap on text and then tap on speak text. After doing it all, you can also add the music by tapping on add sound. Here I'm not adding any sound, so I'm leaving it as it is. Now you can also add it to the story, or if you want to upload it as video, tap on next. Here you can manage the description and everything else. Manage it, and after it's all done, tap on post. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.